Hey guys, wanted to show you, we talked to nearly every installation renovation client we have about EZ-FLO fertigation injection systems and why we're such huge believers in them. I'm here in our showroom. Pardon the breeze, it's a little bit windy today, but wanted to show you why we are so adamant that if you were making a significant investment in your landscape, softscape, that you should include an EZ-FLO system. You can see here, I've got crepe myrtles, crepe myrtle multi-trunk trees. We've got star jasmine vines. We've got carpet roses, standard roses. So I pan around here, we've got a bottle tree. And these roses, these standard roses are on their second set of blooms. We've already deadheaded them and trimmed off a lot. You can see just how soft, how happy this plant material is. You can see on the star jasmine the amount of flowers it has on it. Everything is happy and full and green and thriving. And in our desert, arid climate, I'm in properties daily that have plant material older than this that looks nothing like this. So this is why we recommend to install these systems and to refill them frequently. We use EZ-FLO products on our refills and find them to work great. These vines right here, this would be exactly why I would tell someone whenever they're installing a new landscape, they should include an EZ-FLO injection system. These are on their third season, so they're just under 2.5 years old. You can see we're on a 6-foot block wall. We've already got full coverage on this side. The other side has about a foot to go because it gets a little less sun. And you can see how many flowers they have on them. Look absolutely amazing. So within a couple seasons, you could potentially get this as well. I pan around here and you'll see these massive bottle trees. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. These bottle trees were installed in the summer of 2012 as teeny 15-gallon trees. And you can see they're 25 to 30 feet tall right now, full and happy. They're actually flowering right now. The plant material underneath this, the yellow butterfly iris, nandinas, lantana, just everything happy, everything looking great, looking soft. And again, this is why we recommend these systems so adamantly. We see this performance over and over again when homeowners entrust us to install the system and to refill it on a regular basis. And we see plenty of examples of really nice landscapes where the softscape just does not mature at this rate. Hope you enjoyed this, and again, EZ-FLO fertigation systems are the way to go.